My escape route is clear.
We're not giving up now.
Meow meow. Ready for anything, Mama.
I know you are, my brave little one. I can't sing out there. Visibility is almost zero.
Yes, hold tight. Soon the power will be ours, precious. By the ancients, they're finally awake.
The city, it's a trap. We must turn back.
To the rescue.
Look, Mama. The magic light is everywhere.
Just hold on tight, little one. We'll be there soon. Close shave back there. Good thing I have 9 lives and quick whiskers.
Mew mew. Well done, little one. You need to be careful. The air is very thin up here. Wow, look how high we are.
We're in the clear now, sweetie.
Look at us, Mama. I've got you.
At last! The Sky Seed is mine!
Soon the entire canyon will bend to my will.
Is that...
The cold water splashes high as the journey begins today.
Rowing down the gentle stream, seeking adventure around every bend. A bucket full of silver treasures from the deep river.
Bubbles float around as we wash away the river mud.
Clean water rinses the fresh catch under the bright sun.
Sharp steel slices through the fish, preparing a delicious feast.
Smoke rises from the grill as dinner cooks to perfection.
Full bellies lead to sleepy eyes, resting softly on the warm blanket.
Golden sun begins to set, guiding the happy family back towards home.
Safe inside the warm house, ready for a peaceful night of sleep.
Soft paws tread lightly as the family gathers on the plush sofa.
Little strawberry hat bobbles while tiny paws bat at a woolen ball. Warm steam rises as creamy milk fills the small ceramic bowls gently.
Nice. Happy whiskers twitch rhythmically while the little ones enjoy their warm treat.
The green scarf settles as a magical storybook is opened wide today. Wide eyes under a frog hat gaze in pure wonder and delight. Soft fur presses against soft fur in a warm and loving huddle.
A gentle tongue smooths down messy fur with tender and loving care.
The fire crackles softly as heavy eyelids begin to close very slowly. dreams take flight as the cozy family sleeps soundly through the night.
Golden sunbeams wake the little ones for a brand new day.
Warm milk pours gently into bowls as hungry bellies wait patiently.
A messy face smiles bright after a delicious and creamy breakfast.
Tangled yarn brings endless giggles and joy to the playful room. Turning pages of adventure, they listen closely to every magical word. Sniffing blooming flowers, the garden offers wonders for curious little noses. Watching raindrops race down glass, safe and warm inside together.
The crackling fire warms their fur as evening shadows grow long.
Soft blankets cover sleepy heads, drifting into sweet.
Marking the special date on the calendar for a very big celebration.
A brilliant idea shines bright for the perfect fruity birthday party surprise.
Gathering fresh pink dragon fruit from the garden for a sweet treat.
Scrubbing the bright pink fruit clean under the cool running kitchen water.
Pouring fresh milk into the blender to mix a delicious pink smoothie.
Filling many cups with a vibrant pink drink for all the guests.
Pedaling the heavy cargo bike to deliver refreshing drinks to thirsty friends.
Serving cold pink smoothies to the happy customers waiting at the stand.
Driving the cute toy cars to the store to buy party supplies.
Stirring the melting chocolate in the pot to make a tasty dessert.
Decorating the tall birthday cake with fresh red strawberries and chocolate glaze.
Celebrating the happy birthday with colorful gifts and party hats for everyone.
Mastering the fine art of tuna stew requires patience and perfect seasoning.
Cruising down the highway, chasing the sunset and freedom on four wheels.
Look, a butterfly. Jump high and catch it. Boing, boing.
Roly-poly fun. Soft grass feels so ticklish. Purr, purr.
Red ball. Bat it with paws. Swish, swish. So silly.
Yummy milk in my tummy. Slurp, slurp. Meow, meow.
Peekaboo. Where am I? I am hiding. Giggle, giggle.
Wash my face. Clean paws are the best.
Climb up high. I am a big tiger. Roar. Meow.
Tickle feather, catch it fast. Swipe, swipe. Yay, fun.
Sleepy time now. Sweet dreams, little kitty. Shh.
Good morning, friends. Stretch big and say meow, meow with me now.
Look at that blue butterfly. Jump high. Boing, boing. Catch it fast.
Silly kitty, rolling in the red yarn, round and round we go.
goes the feather. Paw, paw, can you catch the feather? Peekaboo, where is the kitty? Pop. Here I am. Meow, meow.
Time to wash my face. Scrub, scrub with my soft little paw.
Spin, spin, spin. Chasing my tail is so much fun.
Dizzy kitty.
Climb up high. 1 paw, 2 paws. I am a brave tiger.
Sleepy time now. Close your eyes. Purr, purr. Sweet dreams, little friend.
Hello, friends. Look at the kitty stretch and say meow, meow now.
Look at the red ball roll. Run, 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 meow, meow, go. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Ready, set, go. Jump high and pounce, meow, meow.
Tickle, tickle, feather fun. Bat it with paws. Meow, meow, purr, purr.
Where is the kitty? Peekaboo! I see you. Meow, 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 meow.
Yummy, yummy milk in my tummy. Lick, 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 purr, purr.
Good. Spin around and around. Catch that fluffy tail. Meow, meow. Whoa, oops. Climb up high. Scratch, 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 scratch the post. Meow, meow, so strong.
Clean the soft paws. Wash, wash, wash the face. Meow, meow. Nice.
Time to sleep now. Close your eyes and dream. Purr.
Good morning, friends. Stretch big and say meow, meow with me now.
Look at the red ball. Roll, roll, roll. Catch it fast, yay. Oh no, silly string. Tangle, tangle, tangle. Meow, meow, help me, please. 1, 2, 3, jump. Bowling, up so high. I did it, yay. Where did Kitty go? Peekaboo. I see you. Meow, meow, big surprise.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Slurp, slurp, slurp. Delicious milk for Kitty.
Wash my little paws. Scrub, scrub, scrub.
Clean kitty is happy kitty.
Pretty butterfly flies by. Flap, flap, flap. Can I catch it?
No.
Yawn big and wide. Sleepy time is here. Purr, purr, sweet dreams. Good night, little friends. Sleep tight, meow, meow.
Good morning, friends. Stretch big and say hello. Meow, 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 yay. Look at the red ball roll fast. I catch it.
Meow, meow.
Oh no, the blue yarn is so silly and sticky. Meow, meow.